Hey, what's up guys? My name's Josh, and today we are unboxing the WE75, which is a mobile workstation from MSI. Now, straight out of the box, let me just say that this is not a sponsored video. I spent my own money on this, so let's take a look. Alright. Very nice. I like the white box. It's very nice. Let's take a look. Alright. Alright, so here's the actual laptop. Oh, that's not quite as beefy as I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's still pretty heavy, but I definitely thought that was going to be bigger. So this is a 17-inch, so it is going to have a little bit of heft to it. Oh, that is cool. That's pretty sweet. See, this is the part that I really like about their laptops, is this cooling. That's one of the reasons why I went with this. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about this machine. So to kind of back up a little bit, this purchase has been kind of a long time coming. So last year I was looking at computers and considered an MSI custom gaming laptop. And it was kind of between that and an iMac Pro. I ended up going with the iMac Pro just because that fulfilled an immediate need. But now we're getting ready to go to an expo a couple states away, and I need something that I can edit videos kind of on the fly, because we're going to be churning out a lot of videos, and I may even have to do some editing on location. So that's why I went with this particular model. So let's take a spin around and see what kind of I/O we have going on here. Right here we have power, a couple USBs, 3.2, SD card. Let's see what we got on the other side. We have Ethernet, HDMI, a mini display port, another USB, a USB-C, a headphone jack, and microphone jack. So very, very nice. So let's open this sucker up. And ooh, we have a nice cloth over the keyboard there. Very important, keeping those oils off the screen and what have you. So this display is a 17-inch, 17.3-inch IPS level display with 100% sRGB. Very nice. Backlit keyboard with a number pad. I have so missed that. So I've been using a MacBook Pro for a long time. Haven't seen that since their 17-inch models, so I'm really happy to have that back. Fingerprint reader for some added security, so that's really nice. So these guys right here, these are actually really interesting. They're shortcuts for printing the screen, or screenshots. Those are really interesting. Don't see those everywhere. Those are really nice to have. Of course, there is the old print screen, and then you can paste and do whatever graphics software. But I will be playing with those, see what those are like. So the mobile workstations from MSI, they have tons of configurations of these. So let's talk a little bit about this particular configuration and how much it costs. So this is the 9TJ001 or something like that, and this particular model has 512 gig NVMe SSD. So that should run really fast. I'm going to be doing some speed tests on that. This particular model has the Quadro T2000 with 4 gigs of GDDR6 memory. So that's really good for graphics. If you're doing 3D CAD, anything like that, this is going to be really nice for that. 32 gigs of DDR4 2666 megahertz RAM. So plenty of RAM for all my applications. And lastly, it has a 2.6 gigahertz Intel Coffee Lake processor. If you're familiar with that, it's a 6-core processor. It's actually the i7-9750H 6-core processor with turbo boost. So our base clock is 2.6 gigahertz, and we have a turbo boost up to 4.5 gigahertz. So that should be interesting to see how that performs. This has undergone military grade testing and has passed with flying colors, I guess. So that's a really nice feature to have when you are traveling with this. You don't want your 17-inch laptop to snap in half when you're flying. So yeah, so it's a great feature. It's a great looking laptop. Out of the box, I like it. That's pretty much the full tour. If you want to check the specs out on this, I have links to Amazon and Newegg if you want to compare prices or anything like that. Those links are both in the description. I'll also put them in a pinned comment just to make them a little easier to find. And be sure to like this video and subscribe so you see the full review. I'm going to be testing it out, putting it through its paces this coming week, and then the next week I'll be doing a full review. So be sure to subscribe to see that. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you next time.